Hey YouTube, this video is recorded in the daytime, as you can see the light. Okay, I received a package from Divas Own Virgin Hair, and here's my package. I just received it today, so I wanted to make a quick video because I got to get ready to go to work, get some clothes on, you know, get ready to get dressed and everything. So here's my package, and it's kind of thick. Got my address in the back, so I don't want to show you. So I'm about to cut this open. Ooh. That's okay. Got the bag open. Okay, comes in the bag like this. There's like a drawstring. It's a gift message for you. Dominique, thank you for your business and please enjoy this package. I hope to hear back from you soon. Be sure to tag Divas Own in any hair, t-shirt, or earring pictures. Thanks again, Divas Own. And then it has instructions for the t-shirt that I ordered. And this is the message. Okay. First thing I pull it out is my shirt. Let me unwrap it. Rico, be quiet.
I told you to come here.
I'm doing something. You need to wait.
The tea not working.
Okay, I'll fix it in a minute. This is my shirt. And this is a size extra large. This is the back. It's just plain. But this is the front. Go in there, please. I also bought some earrings. These are so cute. These are the earrings. Rhinestones. And they got a lipstick at the bottom. I'll try them on since I don't got no earrings on. Please excuse my hair. It's kind of rough. It's in a ponytail. And this is how they look on. And they dangle from off the earrings. So I like these. It's cute. Kind of hard to get off. Goodness. Okay, those are my earrings. She also gave me a lip gloss, a lipstick. It's e.l.f. It's Gypsy something. I don't know. I'll swatch it for you. It's cute. Thank you. Oops. Messed it up. Okay, now to the hair. Also received some cards too. It's the website up top, the name, and then the prices. the prices on the side. And then the hair. She gave me a few of these so I could pass these out. Cause I go to a hair school, so I'm sure people gonna want to know where I get my hair from when I put it in. Mind you, this is my first bundle of virgin hair. First bundle. And I wanted this Malaysian. I think this is Malaysian hair for the summer, like spring, summer, to go with my natural, because you can see I'm kind of wavy up there, to go with my natural hair pattern. But this is 20 inches. It's nice and soft. And it's how thick the width is, if you can see that. It smells good. And this is the 22. And that's how thick this width is. It's soft. I can run my fingers through it. Put these two together. I got a third bundle. This one is 22 too. It's the same. It's still soft. It's just gotta wash and detangle it and everything. It's curly hair, so, but it feels nice. And the ends are kind of thick too. I didn't like the ends to be thin and the top be thick. That just irritates me. But I probably won't have this installed until it get a little bit warmer, because I'm in Michigan and you know it's crazy over here. So I won't install this until probably the end of March, and I'll make another video. So just stay tuned for that. And you also can follow me on Instagram and see pictures if you don't want to see the video or whatever. But this is the hair all together, and it's nice and thick. With all 3 bundles. It's nice and soft. I think this is Malaysian. The Malaysian deep curly or deep wavy. Or no, it's not wavy. It's deep curly or something. But yeah, it's nice. And it's 2, 22, 22, and 20. I hope there's enough. I kind of got a big head. Might have to get another one. But yeah, hopefully this will do. It's thick enough. Alright, thanks you guys. Have a good day.